4.56 stock. Woo! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, gonna be jumping in the garage with Adam again. Gonna throw the Cobb OTS Stage 1 tune on with the DSG TCM aggressive map. See how the Golf R responds. I'll get you some draggy 0 to 60 times. I'm really just looking to get the best launch times here in the future. I'll also try the Cobb OTS 2 in this video, so stick around with that. It doesn't require downpipe or any other weird mods. And it's the 91 tune, I believe, so should get decent numbers out of this. And I'll have a full driving video in the future, like driving review, driving with the OTS tunes, etc. So stick around. I'm going to install this with Adam. Let's do it now. Yeah? What the hell's that for? Huh? Why are we plugging it in? So I don't lose settings or what?
Because while the software update is going, if you lose battery power, your car might never start again because the control module is going to be stupid and half coded and not know what to do.
Oh, that would be exciting.
That would be terrible. Yeah.
Oh, so we'll plug it in there, keep it on the tender,
Yeah.
and then whoop, Cobb tune it up for now.
Put your parking brake on.
Oh.
You got to step on the brake.
Oh, see, I don't even know how to use my own car.
You could put your hazards on if you want to do it the official Volkswagen Audi software update way. We always have the hazards on.
Why would I do that though?
You don't really need it, but when we do multiple module updates, some of them will go to sleep. If you keep the hazards on, they don't go to sleep and they stay awake so that they can receive all their little bits and pieces.
I don't know if it recommends to do that. Should I do it? I'm scared.
You can.
I don't know. I'm scared. All right, so we're just gonna do this. So should I do DSG first or?
No, do the engine first.
Okay.
Right there, the second one. It said do both, right?
But I'm gonna do a different DSG file. I'm gonna do the aggressive map on the DSG file.
That's it. Done. Oh.
Loading map. So I was gonna do the high boost. So let me look through. Yeah, stage 1, 91 high boost. Here we go. Whoop. Warning. Okay. Yeah, we have the battery tender enabled.
Oh, it tells you don't do it without one, right?
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Okay, continue. Yep. Please turn off headlights.
I did already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Did it say put the parking brake on? Did it say put the hazards on?
No.
Oh.
Okay, continue.
Well, if it was a Volkswagen or an Audi recall software update, it would. It'd tell you to put the parking brake on and the hazards on.
Boom. Please wait.
Generates vehicle data. It's happening.
There it goes. Yes. 0%. 1%.
It's nerve-wracking, right?
Oh, what? It's just gonna break the ECU. Ain't no thing.
You're like, why are there all these errors popping up? Oh, broke your parking brake.
Oh man.
No,
I can't even figure out how to use the parking brake to begin with. I guess that don't matter.
Not warranty.
Okay, that first map took about, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes. Now I am doing the DSG. And then, it's a little dark out, but I'll report back tomorrow during the day, give this a quick test drive. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to see where this starts off at, guys. Appreciate you for joining. Catch up soon. Peace out. All right, y'all, I am super nervous. It's my first time trying out the tune with launch control. Just gonna kind of see how it goes here, okay? Oh my God.
30. 60.
All right, slight improvement over stock. Stock was 4.56. I just did a 4.40, and that's literally the first launch I've done on the tune with the car. All right, gonna give this another quick go. This guy's on the wrong side of the road. 4.34 that time though. Way better. Okay, last time for the evening. Let's kind of just give this a quick go.
30.
not too bad. Pretty excited with where we're at now with the tune, and looking forward to more mods in the future. Kind of see what else we can do. Maybe break into low 3s. I mean, like 3.9, something like that. Being very ambitious. All right, here we are again. Gonna do stage 2 this time, just the 91, because downpipe is not required. So I'm gonna see how that goes. So report back soon. No, yeah, we're just gonna go straight. So you're already in S, so
and then it should be fine from here, right?
yeah, should be good. Let me know what you think.
Damn. I see what you mean.
Is that
It was like gunk. Yeah.
Gunk.
And then even in the back made like a or something,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So is that normal for the
I can't really
DSG?
say.
Well, because yours isn't tuned, right? So
yeah, I mean, I can't really say. That was interesting. There was some noise in the rear end, and then it definitely
clunked into a second hard. Yeah.
Second was like, I got you.
All right, stage 2. Not bad. Almost 4 seconds flat. Much better than the stage 1. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Overall, super stoked with how the car is responding with the OTS tune. It's awesome. The DSG map was a little aggressive. I had to reset some settings, default settings in the Cobb itself for as far as, I guess, shift points, redoing the shift calibration and some sort of just default settings, which I read on a forum about it. It kind of smoothed up the shifts because they were really stiff the first time with stage 2 and the DSG being on aggressive. Other than that, it's awesome. This car responds lovely. It's fast, it's quick. The launch is pretty decently hard for a Golf. And I'm looking forward to doing more mods in the future. Probably gonna get the downpipe, etc. Would love to break into the 3s as far as launches. And yeah, I'm loving the platform. I hope you guys like this content. If you do, again, please subscribe down below, comment so I can get back to you guys on some comments, like the video, hit me up on Instagram, and I hope you guys have an awesome new year if I don't catch up with you soon in the next video. So stick around for more content. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.